Hi everyone, Mark from Lender Price here to talk to you about some of the features in our NAMB Marketplace. In this quick video, we're going to look at registration, how quick and easy it is to start using the marketplace. So let's jump in. To get started, you're just going to want to go to lenderprice.com/marketplace. Here you'll see a nice video on the marketplace and the advantages of using the marketplace as a broker. From there, you'll want to scroll down to the registration form. Here on the registration form, you're going to want to put in your basic information, first name, last name, your NMLS ID, which you'll notice is limited in the number of characters, so make sure you get that right. You're going to want your email address and your phone number along with your company. All of that data is required. Now, your website URL and your title as a loan officer, or processor, or broker, what have you, are all optional, but we highly encourage you to provide that information so we can get your profile right. The system is going to ask you how you heard about us, so maybe it's through this video or from someone else at the NAMB conference, or maybe just from another LO. Lastly, you're going to want to ensure that you acknowledge the terms and conditions of usage. So you can review those terms by scrolling through, but you must click I agree in order to proceed. Finally, you need to acknowledge that you're not a robot. So you do so by clicking the I am not a robot. You'll validate the CAPTCHA, and that will allow you to submit. You'll see a validation message at the top of the screen. Now, the message says that we'll be getting back to you shortly, but we get back to you immediately. You will have immediately received an email where you're going to move through the final steps of your registration. So this is really simple. This is your email invitation to the marketplace that validates that you are indeed trying to register. You just need to click on the button that allows you to set your password, and this will bring you to the final steps of registration. Take note of the fact of we've assigned you your username, so you're going to want to copy that and make sure that you know it so you can log in again. Then you're going to want to set your password to whatever you see fit, and then you need to retype that a second time to make sure that both match. Clicking change is going to bring you to your profile setup. You're going to see your NMLS ID, your first name, your last name, and you'll enter your phone number one last time, where we'll be sending you a text message validation code. I'll show that to you here on my screen. Click request your PIN, and within a few seconds you'll receive a text message containing your PIN. That PIN looks like this when you receive it, and keep in mind that it's a one-time use PIN, so it expires after 2 hours, and you'll have to request a new one, which is available on the screen, if you don't use it within the 2 hours allotted. So that's it. Final step, you click Validate PIN. You'll get a success message that your PIN worked, and click Next. And now you are into the NAMB Marketplace. Now, one final tip, make sure that you click Allow for geolocation when it pops up. That's going to allow the pricer to use your location as its default pricing until you change it for a specific scenario. So congratulations, you're now registered with no human intervention and no delays. You can get started with your pricing right away. Thanks for your time today. Watch out for more coming videos with tips on how to use this great tool to your advantage. And in the meantime, we hope you really enjoy using the NAMB Marketplace. Have a great day.